Hello and welcome. Today we are talking about one of the most powerful and underappreciated vegetables you can add to your diet, beetroot. This vibrant fruit is more than just a pretty color. It's packed with nutrients and bioactive compounds that can support your health in many ways. Whether you're preparing outdoor dinners, cooking for your family, or simply looking to boost your wellness, beets deserve a spot on your plate. Let's explore what science tells us. First, let's look at what makes beetroot special. Beetroot is naturally rich in nutrients like folate, vitamin B9, manganese, potassium, and vitamin C. Natural nitrates, yes, the same type found in leafy greens, which your body can convert into nitric oxide. Pigments called betalains, including betanin, which give beets their deep red color and act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. Fiber, which supports healthy digestion. One of the most well-studied benefits of beetroot is its effect on blood pressure and vascular health. Because beetroot is rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, the blood vessels relax and widen, helping to lower blood pressure. For example, a review found that daily consumption of beetroot juice to measurable reductions of systolic and diastolic pressure. This effect supports heart health by reducing the workload on the heart and improving blood flow. It's worth noting that most of the research uses beetroot juice or high nitrate preparations, and the effects may be modest and short-term. So, consistent intake alongside healthy lifestyle is key. Beyond blood pressure, beetroot offers significant antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. The betalain pigments in the beets help protect cells from oxidative stress and damage, which is important because chronic oxidative stress and inflammation underlie many conditions like heart disease, some cancers, and metabolic disorders. Studies show that beetroot extracts can reduce markers of oxidative damage and reactive oxygen species. So when you serve beetroot, you're offering a food that helps your body defend itself in a cellular level. If your husband, who enjoys swimming or outdoor living and being active, is looking for performance and recovery, beetroot may help. Research suggests that nitrates in beetroot may improve efficiency, increase oxygen, and delay fatigue, making exercise and active days somewhat easier. In addition, by improving blood flow, beetroot may support brain health and cognitive function because better circulation means better nutrient and oxygen delivery to the brain. Let's talk digestion and metabolism. Beetroot is a good source of dietary fiber, which supports healthy gut function, regularity, and provides a food source for good gut bacteria. Some studies also hint at beetroot helping the blood sugar regulation, insulin sensitivity, and lipid metabolism. Although we must say the evidence is still developing. Moreover, given the antioxidant and the anti-inflammatory nature, beetroot supports liver and kidney health in laboratory and animal models of interest for overall metabolic health. Roast them whole, grate raw beetroot into salads, blend beetroot juice, use beetroot in soups or stews to integrate into family meals. Beetroots are high in oxalates, so people prone to kidney stones should proceed with caution. Drinking large amounts of beetroot juice may lower blood pressure more than expected, so those on medications should consult a doctor. Strongest research is on beetroot juice and high nitrate preparations. Less is known about simple cooked beets, so it's wise to include them regularly rather than expecting dramatic effects from one serving. Beetroot is a humble root vegetable. It's loaded with goodness from vitamins, minerals, and fiber to nitrates, betalains, and antioxidants. It supports blood pressure and cardiovascular health, fights inflammation, boosts performance and circulation, aids digestion and metabolic health, and makes your meals vibrant and nutritious. Thank you for joining in today, and don't forget to add beets to your diet. If you've liked the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.